Now let's compile and deploy the smart contract. Let's copy it and paste this command here. So here it is. It says that we cannot find module hard hat buffer. So let's add this module. Excuse me. Okay, so the remaining package is installed. Now let's run. Sorry. Now let's run npx hardhat compile again. It's downloading compiler 0.8.10 as we have used it here. This is warning, so just ignore it. So 13 files compiled successfully. Why 13 file? Because it includes the all the imported files also. So now let's move on. Now let's deploy our smart contract. There is a compiled file. There it is. So it's compiled successfully. Now let's deploy it. So our contract is deployed successfully on test Polygon network, that is Mumbai network, and our contract deploy contract address is my contract address is this one. So now check our smart contract on Polygon scan. So in order to check our smart contract, we need to copy our smart contract address here and go to the mumbai.polygonscan.com and enter your smart contract address. So here it is. This is the first transaction, which is contract creation. We have used this wallet, so it is from this wallet. Here it is. Okay, once on a smart contract page, click on the contract tab. Okay. Let's press on contract tab here. You notice that the contract code is not readable, right? It is just encrypted code or bytecode, I think. This is because we haven't yet verified our code. To verify our smart contract, we'll need to go back to our project and in the terminal run the following code. Okay. Let's copy it and paste it. Sorry. First copy this line here and then copy our smart contract address that we want to verify. Click on it. Okay. So now it says they successfully submitted source code for contract. So let's see. It's giving us the address also, the same link. Just open it here. That's the same link that we have already opened it. So now we can see the code. Now refresh our old link to see the same. Here you can see the contract tab, in which now you can see our committed contract. We have, as you see, that we have only one file, but here you can see many files which are in this contract tab. Why is it so? Because as we seen that 13 files compiled as we compiled it, so all inherited files will also be compiled and also will be going to deploy once you're going to deploy a smart contract. And on the verification code, all the files will also be visible here. So that's our main file, chainbattles.so. So that's it. We have deployed our smart contract and verified smart contract successfully. So sometimes you might get this error, fail to send contract verification request. Just try again and it should go through. This will use the Polygon scan API key that we added in the hardhat.config file to verify the smart contract code. We're now able to interact with the through a Polygon scan. Let's try it. So now interact with your smart contract through Polygon scan. So here we can interact with our smart contract, read contract and write contract. Okay. To interact with it and mint the first NFT, click to write contract button under the contract tab and click on connect to Web3. So here we are just interacting it with on our Polygon scan, Polygon scan website. Here click on connect to Web3 wallet. Let's connect our wallet. Let's connect account number 2, which has some ether. Now let's connect it. Okay, so I think it's connected. Now let's look at the mint function and click on write. Click on mint function and click on write. Okay. So what is the error? It didn't ask any fees. So let's just refresh it one more time. See if we get connected it with the MetaMask. No. Okay. So yes, now we have connected it. Now let's click on write. So here you can see the notification because we are doing a transaction. So transaction fee is 0, but there is a gas fees that we have to pay. It's very minimal. Now let's just confirm it. Let's wait for it. It will take some time. There it is. Confirm verification, transaction 1 confirmed, view on ether scan. So transaction 1 is confirmed. Now you can view it on is Polygon scan also. There it is. That's the detail we have called a function. So now let's move on. This will open MetaMask pop-up that will ask you to pay for the gas fees. Click on the sign button. Yes, we have done it. Congratulations, you have minted your first dynamic NFT. Let's move to the OpenSea testnet to see this live. So now let's open the test.opensea.io so we can check it. This image should click here also. Now let's click on the profile. Okay. Yes, here it is. Chain battle 110. So here it is. Now we can see our NFT on-chain NFT here on our OpenSea.io. That's very cool. Nothing new until now though. We already built an NFT collection in the first session. What's cool here is that we now can update the image in real time. Let's go back to the Polygon scan. Okay, now that's interesting. Update NFT image training the NFT. Now let's update it. Okay, now train it to 1. So now we are doing enter transaction, so it pop-ups, and now we have to pay just for the gas fees. Just confirm it and wait for the transaction to complete. Once the transaction complete, yes, you will see the transaction to confirmed. You on Ether scan. So let's see on Ether scan here. Here you can see that the transaction done just 25 seconds ago. So now let's see. Okay, now let's refresh the page and see. Let's refresh the metadata. Okay, just refresh the page. Okay, great. That's really a cool feature of on-chain NFTs. We have changed it to level 1. Great. It's now time to bring this to the next level with this week's challenge.